Hi guys, this is Joms of Joms TV Media, and I would like to invite you on March 8, 2025 at Philinvest Tent Alabang for the first Honda Meet Manila with Honda Pro Jason. This is a very exciting event as we showcase different types of Honda from different builders. This event is hosted by Trap H organizing events, and I would like to say thank you to Miss Lady Rio for having Joms TV Media as one of the media partners. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
Honda Pro Jason in the know!
Thank you! Alright guys, Joms TV Media on a very early Saturday morning. It's 1 a.m. because nandito tayo sa ingress ng Honda Pro Jason, the first Honda Meet Manila. So it's a gathering of different Hondas from different car groups, from different Honda brands, from FC, FB, FD, EK, FL, ano tama ba? O yung bagong Civic, Brio, Jazz, from EG, EF. So this is a whole gathering because Honda Pro Jason is here already. He arrived yesterday, and this is the first event. And it's the first time that he's gonna be here in the Philippines, here at Philinvest Tent. And congratulations to Trap H Event Organizing. Congratulations to Miss Lady Rio. And yun. So guys, please stay tuned. Enjoy the rest of the video because we're going to showcase this ingress of all the Hondas. Very exciting event to. This is a very exciting, sobrang exciting. Me personally, na-excite na ako sa event nito because I'm also a Honda lover. I used to have an EK. Sobra, nakakatawa. So yun. And we are very thankful to Miss Lady Rio to be for us to consider as one of the media partners, together with Moab Moto TV, Manila Hype, All About Cars, yun, to name a few. Yun, it's hosted by Moab Moto TV and host Cat. Yun, congratulations. Ayun, alright, sige, stay tuned, enjoy this event. This is the ingress, and tomorrow, later this morning, you're going to witness yung pinaka-event. So this will be the positioning of the cars, yung kung saan sila nakapwesto. Alright, enjoy this video. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing this channel, and thank you very much. Thank you for your support. God bless. Have a great day. Bye. Guys, yung vibe dito parang Japan. Parang Japan yung vibe. Yung vibes pala. Guys, clean culture. Si guys. guys. Oh yeah. Nice. Guys, ang isang car meet hindi kompleto pag walang Become Legendary. Sir Ray, kumusta? Oh, nag-a-assign na. Oh guys, we're here. Oh, of course, Cars Plus Coffee. Of course, Sir Carlo Castro. Ayan ang mga legends, oh.
Walang tulugan.
Guys, walang tulugan. Guys, so, Sir Ian. Alright guys, this is the main event where all the cars will be here, plus the cars outside. So definitely this will be filled with different cars and different Hondas from different builders. So yeah, this is a very exciting event. So there, you could say they're setting things up, and the stage, the sound system. I think will be the stage, and the food will be outside. Okay, tara, labas tayo. Okay guys, this is the kung saan I believe yung mga food will be placed here. Ayan, this is the receiving area. Tapos food, merch will be here. Of course, Become Legendary is here. Tapos ito yung mga foods from Cravings, I believe. Of course, Become Legendary, Sir Ray. If you wanna check his shirt, ayan, ito yung shirts niya. And ito na yung mga participants natin from different car clubs and different cars. Ganda ng CRX. Alright. Okay, bukas punong-puno na to. Ay, later pala. Nice. Ganto. Alright guys, now we can see some of the cars are already nandito na sa loob, and most of the cars, ayan, ito, this is an EG, tapos may EG din dun sa likod, tapos may Honda Jazz, hello sir, tapos may EK, tapos grabe, gaganda. Check this out guys, ang ganda nito. Nakita na natin to from one of our events, pero hindi ko matandaan kung saan, pero grabe, linis, galing. Oh, guys, all about cars.
Good morning, hello.
Good morning. Ayan, nandito na lahat yung teka lang ha. Guys, meron tayong nakita, Brother Waldo of Brio,
Brio Tuners.
Brio Tuners. Ayan, follow nyo yung page nila. Tapos si Sir Brio Tuners din.
JC.
Sir JC. Alright. O yan guys, so ito puro Honda. Ito Honda enthusiast talaga to. Matagal ko. Basta pamilya ko yan, kapatid ko yan. Hoy, ingat sir. Maraming salamat. See you. Nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you.
Brother, dito tayo ulit. Yan, nag-feel, umpisa na sila mag-assign ng parking. Tapos of course, nakita natin tong kotse ni Sir Vernie na na-meet natin. Ito yung nasa UP road rage. Ayan, shout out sa iyo, Sir Vernie. It's good to see your car again. Tapos ayan na, pumapasok na yung mga FC Club. Ayan na. Tapos guys, check it out. Etong tatlong EG na to, sobrang gaganda nito. Ganda. Tapos mga Honda Jazz. Kasi yun na, may katabi na palang isang EF saka isang Series. Oh guys, check out this car. Ganda oh. Kalinis oh. Nice. Very nice. Oh, dapat lang may red carpet to kasi kaganda oh. Galing. Sir Vernie, shout out sa'yo. Ito na yung kotse mo. Ayan si Sir. Sir, umangat ba yung puwet mo? Guys, so FL5, isa to sa mga dream car natin. Solid. Ganda. Ayan na guys, nag-uumpisa na sila pumasok isa-isa. These are the cars that dito sa loob. Tapos meron din sa labas. Yun yung kaninang nakita nyo. And yeah, ayan. Medyo nag-fill in na, of course, si Miss Lady Rio, of course, of Jace Racing is here. Solid. Ganda na, no? Galing. Tapos of course merong SIR na Sir 8. Tapos linis nito. Spoon inspired. prep si Sir, of course, for the event. Here are our friends from Jace Racing. Ayan, kaya ba? Mamaya, kita-kita tayo. Guys, magpapahinga muna si Cars Plus Coffee, of course, Mr. Carlo. Later? Later pala. See you later. Carlo Castro in the house. Ingat, sir. Cars Plus Coffee. Guys, ang isang event ng Honda, hindi kompleto pag wala si Sir Adrian.
Hello.
How are you, sir?
I'm good.
Kamusta, sir? Sir, expectation for the show?
Wala akong masabi.
Speechless.
Speechless pa. Ay,
kasi nag-set up pa, of course, si ma'am. Hi, ma'am. How are you? Ayan, guys, ito yung lagi natin nakikita. Laging winner ito eh. Laging winner ito. Ay, linis. Grabe. Hi, ma'am. Guys, listen to that, ha. Tinan yung tunog niyan. Parang nakakatakot. Guys, I'm with Miss Girly. Ayan yung kotse niya. Grabe. Ma'am, any expectation for the show?
Yeah, just
wala pa? Fun, yeah.
Car.
Of course. Correct.
I mean, conversations about cars. This
Correct.
is our passion, right?
Exactly, ma'am. Like and subscribe their page. Follow their page, Facebook page. Yes, ma'am. Hachi Auto Performance. All right. With Joms TV Media, with Miss Girly.
Thank you so much.
See you later, ma'am. All right. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, guys. Now, this event is attended by, of course, some of the presidents of different clubs. Of course, Mr. Henry Bird is there. Tapos si, of course, Hachi. Tapos, of course, si Miss Girly. Tsaka si Sir Adrian. And different events. Different organizers and different car clubs and car groups now. Yan, nami-meet na natin sila. It's a great event talaga. Thank you for Trap H. Talaga, sobrang solid talaga nitong event na to. And, yun, we're looking forward. Guys, hindi pa tapos yung part 1. This is the first. We're looking forward for the next event. Honda Pro Jason, thank you very much for being here and visiting Manila. Sobrang solid. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Alright, guys, that's Sir Henry Bird, and this is his car. And of course, BCH, Sir Bachi. Kamusta, sir? Kamusta? Good morning. Good morning. Game na ba? Game na? The guys are prepping up. Ito yung kanilang designated spot. Of course, yan. Ang ganda ng setup because na-maximize tong area na to. And of course, this area as well. Grabe, galing. Congratulations to Trap H. Sobra. Solid. Tapos let's check out. Ito yung food section. Ay, tama ba? This is the food section. So you guys are... Hi ma'am. So this is the food section where all the foods are here. Tapos nandito yung mga concessions, of course, yung mga damit nandito. So this will be the exit, I believe, and that will be the, ayun, yung entrance dun sa kabila. Ayan. So we have coffee bean. Ayun, tama, coffee bean. We have, blue and yellow toys. Diecast toys. Hi, sir. Nakita na naman tayo. Good to see you again, sir. Oh guys, if you like toys, if you like diecast, check out their page, Blue and Yellow. Of course, and si Sir of Blue and Yellow. Hi, sir. Alright guys, Honda Alabang is also here. They're going to showcase yung kanilang bagong mga kotse, which is, I believe, the HEV edition. Full hybrid system. Guys, ito yung na-feature natin last time. Check out yung vlog natin sa kanila. We tested this. Ayan. Hi sir, good morning. Ito yung kanilang hybrid Civic. If you wanna do test drive. May test drive ba sir? Meron. Oh guys, may test drive. If you wanna check out, please come here at Philinvest 10 here at Alabang. So ito yung JD. Hey, hello sir, morning. Ito yung JDMU area. Solid do. Yan, di muna natin sila guguluhin kasi nagpe-prep sila. Nice, nice. Guys, first time ko makakita nito. Ditong Honda. Hi sir. First time ko makakita. Sir, what is this? Is the Honda Civic?
N600.
N600. Okay, solid oh. Sir, sige prep ka muna. Sorry. Pero Brad. Oh guys, oh. This is the N600. Grabe, first time ko makakita nito. Nice. Grabe. Galing. Sorry sir, naman. Hi ma'am. Guys, check this out. Sobrang solid ng auto ni sir. This is an Integra. Nice! Beautiful. Legit JDM oh. Di ba ma'am? Eh si ma'am, yung owner. Of course, may FC. Solid. Guys, if you're a Honda fan, you should be here kasi magsasawa kayo sa lahat ng Honda. Sobrang, ayan oh, may Jazz. Sobrang galing. Different builds, solid. Solid yung build. So, solid. I'm very excited for this event and I can't wait na later na kasi the event is full package, jam pack, and I'm sure marami pang darating and they're prepping up. Ayan. Solid. Guys, yung mga different bits ayun, may papasok pa sa loob. Yung FK8. Tapos different Jazz. Ay, hindi pala. Parehas pa lang body to. Tapos, ano ba to? FK8 Type R. Hi, hello sir. Ganto. Guys, very nice. Ano sabi mo? Wow! Ganto. Hybrid. Oh, shout out kay Miss Jenna. Kay Ma'am Jenna at kay Sir Chris. Legend do. Guys, so Honda Legend na 90. Ano ba to? 91 na ata. Tama ba ako? Basta legend yan. Na 2-door. Guys, natututo na ako sa Honda. Sa sobrang daming letter ng Honda. Buti na lang nandito si All About Cars. Ayan, DC2 pala to. Basta alam ko lang to, Type R, Integra. DC2. Okay guys, check this out. Jing! Oh yeah! Yan. One of the legends of Honda. Di ba, sir? Ito. Guys. Oh, man. Check this out, guys. Honda legend. Solid. Guys, I'm with Sir Henry Bird, of course.
Kuya Ran. Pagod na, pagod na.
Walang ano yan.
Oh, let's support Jones TV.
Oy, thank you. Thank you, Sir Henry. Of course, you're all about cars, so. Guys, all about cars.
Ayos siya, ayos siya. Cover nyo, sobrang okay itong event.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Ito lahat, hardcore.
Congratulations, sir.
Lahat, sagad mga autos.
Mismo.
Kaya,
Ayan, dun dapat yun. Andun yung kotse mo.
hindi naman, aling pusa lang yan. Talaga solid yung mga autos. Best of the best Honda makikita natin.
Correct, yeah.
Yun, see you later.
See you later, sir. Thank you very much. Guys, Sir Henry. Guys, check this out. It's an NSX, sir. Very nice. Sir, pwede kumain sushi dito.
Saksi ka sa mga pagbabago ng auto na to.
Oo naman, sir. Sobra. So, nakita ko to, hindi ganito pa, pero well done. Guys, this is the car of Sir Henry. Kinuwento lang niya sa akin kanina kung bakit posporo yan. So, basta siya magkwento kasi mas maganda. Pero yun nga daw, binuo daw niya to kasi sobrang wala na daw talaga. Kaya basta isipin niyo lang kung paano naging posporo yun. So, ulit nito. Hardcore. So, ganda niya na. Oh guys, ito yung I believe, ano to sir? Ito yung hindi, yung racing ano ng Jace Racing? Tama ba? Race 4. Oh yes, buti na lang kasama ko talaga yung na-feature natin. Of course, all about cars. Honda to eh. Ano
Follow me on Facebook. And follow Joms TV. Subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel.
Salamat. Ito lahat, makikita nyo lahat doon. This is the Ingress episode. Tapos mamaya yung full ano natin during the event, nakasama na si Honda Pro
Watch out!
Jason.
We might interview Honda Pro Jason.
Yan.
And we'll feature it live on Facebook later.
Oh, yun. Guys, take it from All About Cars. Oo nga pala, no? Nandun pa pala.
Papunta na sila. 4 o'clock ang usapan nila.
Okay, ito guys, ito naman yung sa labas. Okay, ito may mga CR-V, may mga iba't ibang Hondas. Yan, tomorrow you'll appreciate this this area. Ito yung 7th gen. Ito yung Civic 7th gen na area. Yan, sila All About Cars nandito. Okay. So yan si sir nagpe-prep. So So puno na to. Alam, parang almost puno na. Ewan ko lang kung may darating pa. Pero yun. Yan, nagsiset up lang sila. At yeah. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. See you later. Yun na sa mismong event na this is the Ingress episode. All about cars there. Tapos ayan, yung group ng 7 Gen. At saka of course, si Sir RJ. Na nagtatago. Ano to, sir? Uy, guys, may package, oh. Shout out kay Sir RJ. Anong pangalan ng company?
CTFU.
CTFU, ayun. CTFU pa rin pala gumawa. Yung pa rin. Alright, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Oh guys, unbox natin to later. Okay, guys, this is a good morning and we'll see you later. Yun, for the next episode, check out the next episode of this Honda Pro Jason first Honda Manila meet. Alright, please like and subscribe this channel so we could feature more events like this. This is Joms TV Media signing off. Oh, sorry, di pala signing off, magpapahinga lang tayo. We'll see you later for check out the next video. Yun, for the main event together with Honda Pro Jason. Have a great day, enjoy your weekend, God bless, and like and subscribe, follow this channel. Thank you very much. Bye.
Honda Pro Jason in the know.
Thank you. Guys, kasama natin yung Club 7 Gen. Yun, nagtatago na naman. Guys, kala ko uwi na tayo. Uwi na kami. Hindi pa pala. Yan, nag-ikot-ikot pa sila. Okay, may ano pa. Last, ano. Ito yata, ilalagay pa dun. Of course, kay Southwash Car Wash ni Sir Carlo Sanggalang. Oh guys, Car Mavens naman on the 22 of March. Guys, parang feeling ko nasa Japan tayo. Kasi malamig yung weather. Tapos puro Honda. At of course, ang ating brother, si Waldo, Brio Tuners. Saka si Sir Renzi of Brio Tuners. Ay, ito yung kotse ni Sir. Ganda. Diba? Linis lang. Paano guys? Totoo sir. Yun nga po. Clean and simple. Pero hindi simple to eh. Mags pa lang oh. Grabe, ganda. Sir, see you later. Kita po tayo ulit. Nice meeting you sir. Thank you, thank you. Okay guys, ito maliwanag na. Ito makikita na natin yung mga cars na nandito naman sa labas. Okay guys, so may Prelude. Of course may Accord. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong Accord to, pero linis oh. Tapos ayan mga. So ito na yung kaninang pinakita ko sa inyo. Ayun yung kotse ni All About Cars, yung na-feature natin. Yung Club 7 Gen nandyan. Tapos ayun. Seto Pau. Dami. Ito, dalawang EF. Oh. Ganda. Ito naman yung mga EK. Mga ito, rally version na Brio. Ganda nito. Oh, shout out kay Print Pinas. Ayan, well done daw sabi ng Club 7 Gen. Yun. Salamat.
This episode is brought to you by Coolman Essentials. Check out their Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok shops.